now we're gonna go to a mall at magbubok kami ng Grab papunta doon sa mall. So from doon sa Pad Thai place na Michelin Guide, nag-book kami ng Grab and it's for 128 baht going to Icon Siam. So if you wanna do that rin, yun yung more or less Grab nyo. Depende sa oras kasi minsan mas mahal siya pag rush hour. So yun, busog na kami.
Oo, naantok na kami.
Pero gusto ko maghanap ng mango sticky rice.
Yes.
Let's go. Tahulo. Ang unang sasalubong sa inyo ay ang mga stalls ng food. So, parang gusto kong mag-dessert. Thai tea, oh.
Thai tea!
Thai tea? Cocoa.
Ayan, the cocoa. I wanna try.
Let's go around first.
Let's go around first, yes. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Naghahanap kami ng mango sticker rice.
Yeah.
Sobrang daming pagkain dito. Beware of hot. Ayun, beware of hot.
Dumplings. And siomai and shrimp. This is coconut pancake. Hindi ko naman sarap 80 baht. Ang dami pa mga fried. Uy, mochi! With strawberry mochi. Ay, ang sarap. Yummy.
Taxi? Yes, go fair.
And more Thai appetizers here. Thai milk tea.
So much to see. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto ko kainin na dessert. Sobrang dami.
Ito na naman ang gusto ko unahin.
Oo. Actually, hindi rin siya ganun kamahal. Mahal siya, pero hindi pa rin ganun kamahal. Unlike sa ibang country na lang. Lamig dito.
Rice. Ang dami ding fresh fruits. Ang sarap. Ang ganda naman nung may pa-indoor river pa. Pwede kaya sumakay dyan? Okay, so finally we have our mango sticky rice for 150 baht. And Tony got
Seafood, fishball tom yum.
fishball tom yum.
Fishball tom yum.
Try natin. So let's try the mango sticky rice.
Pinapanganap natin ng mango sticky rice.
So this is, I think, coconut.
Is that coconut ba?
I'm really not sure. But you
Or
put
the
it,
pinipig?
parang pinipig. Hindi ko sure talaga. Lalagay sa rice. Para siyang Rice Krispies nga. And then the coconut syrup. May coconut
Sauce. Tingnan natin yung pinagmamalaking mango ng Thailand. So imagine kakakain lang namin. Pero hindi na natin dapat sayangin ang pagkakataon na matikman lahat ng pinagmamalaking food ng Thailand.
Try natin. So dapat may little bit of mango. And may kasamang yung sticky rice. Here. Oh my gosh. Iba yung lasa niya, iba yung level. Sa mga nakakain ko lang sa Pilipinas. Pero masarap. Saka yung mango. Mango is good, ha?
Sweet.
It's really sweet. Mix siya ng sweet tsaka sour, pero mas sweet on the sweeter side. Pero it's really good. Hindi siya yung maasim na ganon. Very nice. Tara, kainin na natin.
So let's try the tom yum fishball. So gusto ko talaga ito i-try. Tapos I requested kung meron silang hindi spicy. Meron, hindi kami magkaintindihan ng hirap. So may spice siya pero konti lang. So hindi ko alam kung yung konting yon anong level sa Pinas yun. So medyo natatakot ako pero I'm excited to try it. Let's see. Saba. Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. So, little bit lang. Pero, medyo kumakamot na sila muna na. Pero masarap. So, balance ng sour, sweet, and salty. Tom yum. So, let's eat!
And we got na rin the cocoa and
Ice cocoa.
Thai milk tea. So, di ka pwedeng mag-Thailand nang hindi mo tinatry yan.
Correct.
Subukan natin. So, Tony, go for the cocoa.
Sarap!
Talaga?
Oo, kailangan lang haluin. Pero ang sarap niya. So, hindi siya ganun katamis. Not too sweet. And refreshing kasi ice cocoa. Sarap! Kailangan...
Okay, so let's try the milk tea. Thai milk tea. Kahit sa Pilipinas, sa mga Thai restaurants, favorite ko talaga to. And I think it's the first time I'm gonna try an authentic one.
Sarap?
Ang sarap. Although, kasi siguro yung nasa Philippines, mas nasa panlasang Pinoy na siya or taste buds na ng Pinoy. Ito mas lasang-lasa ko yung tea. Yung lasa talaga na dahon na tea. But it's still good. It's really good. It's sweet and very ano siya. Very plant-based. Dahon. Lasang-lasa mo yung dahon. Pero ang sarap. Good, 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 good. Really good. This is for 50 baht. And this one din. 50 baht din siya. So,
You order? Order already. Có lên menu nữa. Ready ครับ
Thank you. We're trying the roti with banana Nutella.
So, roti with banana Nutella. Let's try it! Actually, kinain din namin to before yun nandito kami. Pero nasa street siya ng Kausan. So, ngayon, nasa Icon Siam Mall tayo ngayon. So, medyo social ngayon yung ano natin, roti natin. So, may kasamang kamay ito.
Yes, actually kinamay talaga.
Kinamay talaga to, kamay talaga. Kasi nung sa dati namin binilihan, gumamit siya ng ano, mga utensils. Ngayon kamay talaga, pure kamay. So, let's try. Actually, lasa ng turon. Napili social. Kasi may Nutella siya, saka fresh bananas. Sarap! Saka sweet. Matamis siya talaga gawa ng Nutella.
And this is the rest of Icon Siam Mall. Ang ganda naman.
The prettiest Arabica shop in the world. Mas maganda pa sa Japan. Look. Sobrang ganda ng coffee shop nila.
Ang laki pa. And ang ganda ng
chandelier. Oh my God, it's so bright.
It's chandelier. Chandelier.
The Apple Store. So,
oh yeah, look at that Apple Store.
and Lululemon, camera pa.
So, balik na kami sa hotel, but to go back, we're gonna ride the water taxi. Wow, pakainit. So, we're here to take the water taxi. So to ride the water taxi, you have to know kung ano yung closest pier sa pupuntahan nyo. In our case, we're going to Kaosan Road, so it's RRT. And then we'll buy the ticket here for that boat.
Hello, para RT for 2 or 2? 60. This is one ride, right? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so we're heading to the pier now. The ride is for
30 baht each.
30 baht each.
So this is just a single ride or single journey ticket.
Yeah. So they also have the hop on, hop off sa boat. But we got the single journey ticket. So yan, for 30 baht per person. Let's go ride the water taxi. We're about to ride the water taxi.
Init!
Yan. There's also a hop-on, hop-off boat. Masaya siya kasi may upper deck.
I think that's 150 baht. Ride that boat unlimited.
Yeah, for one day around the river and get off. Actually, yung mga piers niya attractions within those piers. So you can ride this hop on, hop off if you want to tour that way. Malamig siya. Sa dulo ng pier, merong Changi. So dahil 12 minutes lang yung hotel from the pier, we decided to walk. 12-minute walk.
Actually, mas matagal pa kung mag-grab kami. It will take us 20 minutes. Pag walk, 12 minutes kasi siguro yung mga shortcut.
Yes. Let's go. Uy, may white tayo. Kaya lang parang umaambon. Pero ready kami. May payong naman kami. Labas ko lang pagka
malakas na yung ulan.
Basang-basa na kami.
Umulan na siya. Pero ngayon, ambon-ambon pa lang. Drizzling.
Yeah. Kaya naman. Tsaka medyo presko na siya ng konti. Konti. Aperitif word.
Oo nga, no, white eye. Ayan, o.
So this is the street of our hotel. And it's raining. This is how it looks like outside our hotel. So dito kami magdi-dinner. Para siyang karinderya lang. Pero mukhang masarap yung food kasi ang dami din kumakain. They have the usual Thai dishes, spring roll, pad thai, tom yum, pad krapao, mga ganon. So, I think outdoor lang siya, so medyo mainit. Pero umuulan, sana hindi kami mabasa. So, we have here our spring roll. Ayan, may mga condiments, sauces. Hindi lang namin alam ano.
This is dried chili pepper. I think this is,
yeah, thank you.
This is Thai patis.
Probably vinegar.
Vinegar. And this is sweet vinegar din.
Spice.
Spicy.
Yes. So we ordered crispy pork with rice. green chicken curry,
Spring roll.
and pineapple fried rice. So, kanila pala yung fried rice. So, dami namin kutsara din ito.
No, it's just 2 bears.
Yeah, 2 bears lang pala. So, we're gonna try their food here. I love Thai food. And I do love Thai food. So, habang kumakain po kami, umulan ng napakalakas. Bumagyo. And nababasa na kami dito kasi ganyan lang yung cover. Ayan. Pero, inusod nila kuya tong payong. Para di kami mabasa. Mali yung pagkakausod niya. Okay lang yan. Bait naman yung intention niya eh. Sobrang sarap ng food nila. Yung spring roll, siyempre ubos na 80 baht. Curry is 120. The fried rice and the crispy pork are both 100 baht. So, not bad na. And then yung Coke Zero in the bottle is 20 baht each. Good daw siya for 1 person, pero medyo madami din. Kamusta naman ang pagkabasa natin dito?
Adventure.
Ayun. Ang lakas ng hindi ko alam kung kita, pero ang lakas ng buhos ng ulan. And mahangin. Yeah, maanggi. So this is our current situation. Nakapayong kami kasi medyo umaanggi. Malapit na kami matapos kumain. Tony na lang yung kumakain. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So, that's our first. Actually, hindi siya full day. Half day lang siya. Kasi nakarating kami, nagland kami ng Bangkok at around 4 AM. Tapos, travel to hotel, check-in. Natulog kami pagka-check-in namin.
And we woke up at around 11:30. And then we left the hotel at 12 in the afternoon. And then nag-travel kami dun sa Michelin Guide na restaurant na nag-o-offer lang ng Pad Thai, and sobrang sarap niya.
Yes.
Actually, gutom na gutom kami, pero yung serving niya maliit lang, pero satisfying siya talaga. So, kaya kinaya pa namin kumain sa Icon, Siam Mall, ng mango sticky rice, tom yum, soup, and nag-ano pa kami, roti with banana Nutella, and yung iced cocoa and Thai milk tea.
And today we also experienced our first tuk-tuk ride. Probably the last also. Also, nag-water taxi kami. So, ang saya-saya niya kahit nakaupo ka lang, tas tingnan mo lang yung site. So, it was also an experience. Just 30 baht lang siya. From Icon Siam up to the pier na super lapit na lang sa hotel namin kasi naglakad na lang kami from there eh. Tapos, nag-rest kami, tapos dinner na. Kanto lang siya guys, nasa labas lang siya na hindi siya aircon. Naulanan pa nga kami, pero sobrang sarap din ang kinain namin. And mura lang. Around 460.
460 including the drinks.
Yeah, 460, that's around 700, 730 plus pesos. So, ang mura guys. And sobrang sarap. Hindi porket nasa kanto siya, wala lang. Ang sarap niya talaga.
Ba't ganun, no? Nasa kanto, pero ang sarap ng food.
Ayun. So that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching it kasi super nag-enjoy kami sa paggawa nito. Please follow us on our social media account. It's Chub Explorers on IG, TikTok, and
Facebook. Don't forget to comment, like, and
subscribe!
Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!
Tadadada!